Onion Man here, and today we're going to be taking a look at another smart bulb option. I know I've talked about Philips Hue before. This is a lot cheaper option. It is called the Merkury Innovations Wi-Fi Smart Bulb. It is a 75 watt equivalent. It has 1050 lumens, which is a little bit brighter than the Philips Hue ones I did. I think those are around 820. So it's a little bit brighter. There is an app you use to control this, and it can be used through Alexa and Google Home. And I'm assuming also Siri as well. I would assume that works as well. Actually, sorry, no. On the box here it actually says nothing about Siri. It works with Google Home, Amazon Alexa, and Microsoft Cortana. It is very simple to set up. There's no bridge like the Philips Hue has, so that's one less cost you gotta buy there again. Basically, you download the app, you screw it in, and you connect the bulb, and then you just go through the setup and you're done. I'll show you guys the setup as well once I go through the box here. There's two different kinds. There's just the regular white light one, and there's also the colored one, which is one I got. It has the colored and the white built into both. And it's only, I think it was like $16 or $17, which is way cheaper. The colored Philips Hue ones are like 60 bucks a bulb. So these are definitely more affordable. In the box, there is not much. It's very simple. Here, I actually got a receipt here as well. Yeah, I paid $16.93, so very good deal. You get a little instruction manual, just how to and the setup and all that stuff. The app is called Geeni, G-E-E-N-I, and it's strictly for this type of bulb and this company, the Merkury Innovations. And then there's a start guide or smart guide. Yeah, start guide. And then just the bulb, which I took out of my thing already. That's the bulb. I actually grabbed a Philips Hue bulb just so you can kind of compare. This one's a little bit bigger than the Philips Hue, or quite a bit bigger actually. Put them side by side, you can tell this one is quite a bit bigger than the Philips Hue one. So, and it's lighter too. I think there's just less stuff inside of it. One thing to note too, the Merkury Innovations bulb, there is a little more of a delay when you're like asking Alexa or someone to turn on. So there is that. It's not crazy, it's a couple seconds more. But if you're really wanting something that's really fast, then maybe don't go with this. That's just one caveat about this, but other than that, it's a very good bulb. I love the color feature. I always wanted the color, but I didn't want to pay the 50, 60 bucks for one bulb. That's just ridiculous. So this is one option I can do that gets the color. So let's check out the app and I'll show you how to set everything up. Okay guys, so you want to go into Google Play Store, download the Geeni app. I have it downloaded already, so I'll just go into the app itself. You want to go to the plus button and add a device, choose the device you want. We're going for smart bulb, so we'll choose the smart bulb icon. Then you want to, right now you want to have your light bulb in the socket and the power turned on so it'll register. And then you just wait for it to start blinking. And then you go into your Wi-Fi. It'll go bring you to your Wi-Fi. Once it starts blinking, you click the button, bring it to your Wi-Fi, do all your Wi-Fi stuff, and then it'll just load till 100%, and you're good to go. Okay guys, so I'm just going to show you guys the light here. It's in the socket there, and you can kind of just go through the colors. This is the different brightness for just the white. Go to the colors, you can kind of fade through different colors. red, green, blue, pinkish purple, red again. And then you can go through different scenes. Night scene, reading scene, soft scene, blinking. Just kind of slowly changes colors. Rainbow scene, just kind of fades through all the colors over and over and over and over. Rave scene. We got red light blinking. It's supposed to be a rave apparently. Natural, just green. Yeah, that is basically all the different colors. You can change the brightness of the colors too. They're not very bright to begin with, so especially during the daytime. But yeah, that is the different colors. That is the Merkury Innovations Smart Bulb. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys found it informative. Maybe you guys want to pick up your own smart bulb. I will leave a link in the description for this bulb. I just got it from my local Walmart, so I'll just put a link to that. And as always guys, I will talk to you soon.